Today I'm gonna share my photo wallpapers installation routine. I need it as a background for my country twerk videos. Oh, see the ties. So I have to measure it and cut because the distance. Oh, jig 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 jig. Shik 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 shik. A little bit of twerk. So, as I said, the distance between the ceiling and the floor in my home dancing studio is like 250, and the wallpapers, them are like 3 meters. So obviously them are too long. You can hire me anytime for your renovations. It will be a fun working time, workshop. So here I want to put them together with scotch tape. Tin, tin, tin. Oh, and by the way, meanwhile I was doing all that, I was watching a movie. It calls America Primeval. Yes, by the way, it was my second time I was watching those series. It's very interesting. I love Wild West, like thematic in movies, but realistic one with action. Jig, 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 jig. So here, applying it to the wall, and I don't want to spoil the walls. So, like, I have a glue for wallpapers, but once you add them, it can last forever. So, and for me, I need it for like short period of time. So next time I want another background, I can get another set of photo wallpapers. Okay, again, twerk. La 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 la. By the way, that's how I act when I'm by myself. Mm. So here, oh my god, this is what the real struggle, because like a small woman, my height is 164, so it was my first time doing such type of a job. So I realized it would be way easier to do it like with like 4 hands with like assistance. But anyways, I spent like a whole Sunday evening for all that. See the booty. See the glute. Okay. That wasn't very easy, because see, it has a print of like a picture of a monumental valley, and all these 3 pieces have to fit each other, so I'll not miss the picture in general. I mean, them have to be on the same level. And by the way, when I was applying these wallpapers, I realized that like on each corner of the walls, this wall, them are not like the same, like a height. So it was kind of like hard to apply it because it has like a print, as I said. So it was glutiflex. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You like my voice? It's turned you on? This ain't nothing. wait until you see it in a thong. Of course, you will not see it in a thong because I'm not making videos for YouTube in a thong. See the S. Okay, here I'm trying to, because I didn't want to cut it, so it will have like more, when you make a pictures or film, so it will be like more smooth to like transition from the wall to the ceiling. Or here's some final twerk. Chin 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 chin. I was thinking, shall I make more voice covers for my next videos? Comment.